winter edition. A few days ago, I realized that people in the diaspora, Jamaicans moving from Jamaica, some of them were born in the diaspora, like England, Canada, and America. I realized that a lot of them don't care about Jamaica. They don't care about the well-being of Jamaicans. They don't care about the safety of Jamaicans. A lot of them would want to see the demise of Jamaicans, especially these rankers on TikTok. Now, I was going through my For You page a few days ago and I pounced upon a video of a young lady. I don't know her, never seen her before. I know nothing about her, but you know the For You page go. And she was giving out some information that I felt was damaging to Jamaicans on TikTok living in Jamaica. So I said, you know what, I'm going to stitch this video and do an awareness on it. And people, you see, our young adults in Jamaica, a small amount of them, and a wipe of them, a lot of them know how to articulate themselves. But there are some young adult Jamaicans between the age of 18 and 26 that is very knowledgeable, have a whole lot of understanding, and can comprehend the simplest thing or the hardest thing you said because they know. And they say, who feels it knows it. So when a person leaves Jamaica, come to the diaspora, and the ones that were born up here, I feel they think they're better than people that lives in Jamaica. I feel they think they are on top of the world and they look at the Jamaicans like, oh, them are nobody. They don't care what happened to Jamaicans. And just a video that I post, and when I look in the comment section, and everybody who comes in, who is saying it is public knowledge, it's public information, let go the girl blows, this and that. None of them, 95% of them do not live in Jamaica. They don't care about the well-being of Jamaicans. People, we're going through a dark time, whether you like it or not. We're going through a dark time in our Jamaican society, where we're seeing things that we've never seen before. We're seeing people being gunned down on the internet in Jamaica. More than once, we've seen people have to run for their life on this app. And it's mostly in Jamaica. So when we see something that is damaging to our society, we can bring awareness to it. But when I see the comment section, I see the persons in there that is upholding the slackness, upholding the behavior, are persons protecting persons in the diaspora because they don't like Jamaica. They don't care about the people in Jamaica. A lot of the persons who want TikTok ban do not live in Jamaica. A lot of the persons who complain about gift and complain about the TikTokers begging would not give them not even a top, are people in the diaspora. They're so envious and covetous of the rankers that they would put out information that would risk their lives and think it's just public knowledge or public information. And I kept asking some of them, how did you stumble on my content? Do we follow each other? No, we don't. That simply means that my platform is public, but the For You page push it out there, bring awareness to the content that I do. That is why you're over my platform. Not only that, maybe you saw this girl replying to my content and said, let me go see who this person is. That's how you know. And that is how the same information that she put out there, and all you little minions and yes me and pick me, Mr. and Mrs. pick me, Mr. and Mrs. yes me. Uno realize that this information can be damaging to the society of Jamaica that is so dark. But yet you come in defense of such a behavior. But people, a lot of people in the diaspora, don't get it tricked. They don't really care if Jamaica sink or float. They don't really care. A lot of them are just looking and waiting for something bad to happen. A lot of them, they don't care. But if I can come on here and do a content, I do a live, and talk about something that can prevent a death, prevent a life from being taken, prevent another TikToker from getting hurt, I will do so with no apology. And the next thing I realized, because a girl said it, be careful of the persons that will gift you on this TikTok app. There's no good intention behind it, because she stated, we give them with money, we're supposed to know how much them are make. And how that make me realize a lot of time when a TikToker or a rank or somebody on this app and gifters have problem, is because these gifters feel, because I am gifting you, I have a say in what you do on this app, where you go. A lot of these gifters aren't gifting you from a pure heart. They're gifting you for something in return. Hey, Jamaica, Jamaicans living in Jamaica. A lot of these people in Canada, America, England, another part of the world that don't live in Jamaica don't care about you. They don't care about your health. They don't care about your safety. They don't care about your well-being. They don't. And you will see in comment section when anything happens, and you will see the video blow, but you won't see one of them type, rest in peace. You see some coming, even laughing. But be careful. One ready until the next episode.